Today we are going to learn how to install phpredis in Mac. I have already installed Redis in Mac, so now I am going to install phpredis. The phpredis is a extensions provide an API for communicating with the Redis key and value to store. Mean to say, if you want to store a value through PHP or get a value through PHP, you need to install extensions. So we are now going to use phpredis. So currently here I am showing PHP version is greater than 7.0. First I'll check about this Mac. This is my configuration, the Mac. So next step is I am going to check PHP version. Okay. You can also check through terminal, no issue. So my current version is PHP 7.4.33. How to install phpredis in Mac? I have already answered this question on Stack Overflow. So a step is written here, but now I'm going to step by step running all commands on terminal. So first we will check Redis is installed or not. So I have opened the terminal. Brew services, yeah. Redis is started. Redis -cli. So ping found. Yes, Redis is working fine. Now I'm going to follow the steps. So I have already written the steps. First, open the terminal. Go to downloads folder. So I'm going to download folders. Terminal is my open. So I'm going to downloads. Okay. Then I will clone the PHP Redis repo. Okay. Next step is go to PHP Redis folder. Now I will run the next command phpis and configure make install. So I am running this command. This command is important, so I am doing bold it. It will be take a time. So now I'm going to read next step. The output will be something like this. We will wait. First thing, what will be the path of PHP INI? User local caller This will be the path. Enter the password. This will be the path extensions. Don't worry. Next question is what will be the INI path? So I'm going to show you one thing. This will be the path of our usual local etc php 7.4.ini. So now I'm going to open sudo nano this one, and fourth step is need to add the extensions. So now I'm going to add the extensions. Copy this one and paste here. You can add anywhere, but I'm adding the starting of extension path. Close these files, and next step is browse services restart php 7.4 because we have added in ini file. So I'm going to check services running now. Browse services. Yes, it is running fine. Then make test. Close all close terminals. Open terminals. Message is showing okay, means PHP ready. Installation is done. Thank you.